Recordings in brain enhancement programs help you to relax. The latest programs enable you to employ headphones to block out sounds while you are working, relaxing, or studying. Tools are available, which allows you to program your headphones. Menu options allow you to adjust the headphones or test them for functioning abilities. You have options with some programs that enable you to replace or improve your mornings by using wake-up sessions rather than caffeine to start your day. Brainwave training tools open the doors to many options available to you. The programs today allow you to view sessions and information from the lists. View information options allow you to view the lists, and so on. Most programs offer easy solutions that allow you to select recording volume by using integrated features and tools. You can preview your recordings at any time. You have scales over sessions that enable you to lengthening them at any time, customizing the scales to fit your mood. Affirmations when customized will fade during sessions so that you feel more relaxed. Using neurofeedback software today is easy, since you have much support. Most of the programs provide you wizards and connections to live support online. You will find scores of information at forums, member areas and more. Online you will find articles, scripts, links, and background files, as well as relevant resources that will help you learn how to use the programs. How do I find these programs? Go to the internet. The internet will connect you with developers, or vendors offer you free trial versions. Test the programs before spending money, so that you know what you are getting. Rest assured, however, after you try some programs you will definitely want to spend a small fortune to invest in your relaxation. What features is optional in the programs? Program features integrated into the brain enhancement software include script editors, volume controllers, audio and visual controllers, and so on. Some of the powerful tools allow you to customize the programs to fit your mood. How do I employ techniques to get the most of my software? You have a series of techniques, or you can modify the strategies to fit your needs. Students can customize the features to meet their criteria. Those in sports, art, or music can also adapt the features to fit their criteria. Protocols are one feature included into some of today's programs. The protocols enable you to employ integrated documents, customizing them so that you can find ways to solve problems. You have control over background sounds, pitch, and brightness, etc., with some software that offer you unique features. Can I use the programs when traveling? The software is downloaded to your computer. If you have a laptop, sure, but if you have a desktop, no. However, you have unique features that allow you to use Wave to export sounds. You can burn the sounds to CD. You can also convert the files to an MP3 player. The process is simple, easy and safe. How do I use the software at work? Download the software to your computer, hook up your headphones and relax. No one can hear the sounds, and most bosses today are making room for relaxing sounds, or brain enhancement aids. The aids improve memory, which is proven to improve overall performance. Bosses like overall performance enhanced. How do I choose the software best suited for me? Some software offered today include a couple of additions. You have business software and home use programs. The home use programs are ideal, since it gives you a wide array of options to achieve relaxation. Look for powerful scripts when discovering brain enhancement programs. Brain enhancement scripts in brain enhancement programs allow you to customize the programs to fit your mood. Session scripts offer you link to articles, background files, member area, links and more. Using scripts with today's software enables you to choose your background sounds, or to customize your screen. Within the Tools section of the latest software, you will find Super Tools for learning. The option allows you to lengthen your functions to suit your needs. You have NLP options to control sensor modality, which helps you to discover prime sensors that allow you to program your mental state. Session wizards are available as well, which gives you control over choosing the best options to fit your personality. You have headphone tools to test audio output effectiveness. With some programs, the Super Tools control the brainwaves, or allow you to customize to fit your alpha and theta brainwaves. You can use the Super Tools to customize the programs to fit your needs. If you want to augment energy and motivation, then you can choose the option. Once you choose the option, you are directed to another pop-up, which allows you to choose loops. The loops are the amount of time you desire to listen to the recordings. After you make your selections, the program will recommend that you enjoy the sounds in a quiet area. You want to eliminate distractions, and feel comfortable in your position to get the most out of the sounds. The sessions guide you through a state of mind that optimizes your ability to learn. Fade in and out phrases will appear during the sessions, nothing to worry about, since it controls the mind's ability to interpret. Relaxation is the goal behind the features offered in today's programs. Once you click your command to activate the session, you will start the mega learning sessions that guide the mind to absorb while in a childlike state of mind. The information helps you to improve the long-term memory. You can use headphones with some sessions, or you have options to listen to sound waves without using headphones. One of the options available in some of the programs offered today is the wake-up call. Use this session, rather than digesting caffeine, to start your day off right. How it relaxes the mind. The sounds of waves targeting the alpha and theta brainwaves bring you to relaxation. Rather than putting you to sleep, you can choose learning options to enhance your ability to function in the workplace. The calming sounds enable you to focus on what you are doing, while you feel the lift of moods. The moods set you free, relieving stress so that you can improve the memory to work efficiency. You can follow the complete steps to get the most out of relaxation. You can also choose to keep your eyes open, continue working while the sounds take you to a childlike world where long-term memory comes alive. You have configuration commands, or you can use defaults when listening to the sounds. After periods of listening to the sounds, you will hear a woman's voice tell you are you motivated and feel excited about life. She repeats the words, so that it triggers the emotions, thus making you feel motivated, as well as excited about life. The psychological concept is to bring you to a trance-like state, which will help you to focus, rather than dwell on negative emotions that drag you down. Right now, the excitement of exploring brain enhancement sounds and visuals is taking me to the point of continuing to discover the many ways offered to guide to relaxation. The modality in today's software allows you to choose your patterns that fit your moods. Brain enhancement modality in some brain enhancement programs gives you a few options. You have the option of choosing visual, which helps you to see and show your feelings easier. You have auditory options, which improve saying and hearing. You also have kinesthetic options that improve your feeling and taking action abilities. The notion is to improve long-term memory, so that you can work, study, efficiency. The modality functions allow you to employ tools to process information, which is based on your personality, culture, or genetic attributes. Some of the tools allow you to use soul-dominant modalities to process and improve memories. If you want balance, however, you have options as well. Select any option that fits your profile and let the programs take steps to helping you find relaxation. How does the modality work? It works in a way that you can get the most out of studying, learning, working, etc. by learning which modality benefits you. You can program the mind with modality to fit prime learning abilities that give you the most powerful capabilities. The programs today offer you hundreds of high-quality visual and audio sessions, which you can export CD, or any wave integrated system you like. You have choices in recording with microphone or using the text-to-speech utilities. You also have scripts to modify hypnosis, or edit tools. The tools in some software allow you access to dual inductions. You can create sessions suitable for you, by choosing the professional editions. Some software has integrated selection options giving you control over affirmations, suggestion, scripts and sound files. You can connect with some programs, connecting to Audio Strobe's device, or take advantage of extensive e-book documentations that guide you to relaxation. How do kinesthetic features work? The kinesthetic features target sensations of the body's ROM or range of motion. The sensations will trigger perceptions or senses of motion, including weight, position of muscles, tendons, joints and so on. The concept is to stimulate the nervous system and cells to ignite the brain to produce effectively. Can these programs help improve my willpower? Sure, the programs offer sound waves that target willpower. If you lack willpower to stop smoking, drinking, etc., combine addiction options with willpower choices within the program to seek help. The sounds will relax your mind, empower the mind strangely, as you start to feel relaxed. When the body and mind is relaxed, it opens room for willpower to fight addictions or improve the memory. Are there free programs offered to me? Online you will find trial versions. You can try out the software for a few days. The disadvantage is you will not have all the tools offered within the programs free to use. You will have a wide array of options, however, which can give you an idea of how the programs work.